Uy! Ito ba vlog? Ito, yung gift natin, no? Yung gift natin, no? Yung lapis. Ito, gift natin. Nang mo, ba't walang sila natin? Gamit natin. Daddy, what is just a military box? It's a military box.
What's that?
It's a military box.
Mystery box.
Let's see what's inside.
Just what's inside. It's a.
What it is? Mystery box. Mystery box.
Push it. Just push it. Slide.
Just push it. Just push it. Just push it. Just push it. Just push it.
It's a mystery box.
Yes. Let's go on. Pull. 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 And pull that. Pull. 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 Wow. Nagamit ng pencil, oh.
It's a sharpener.
Sharpener, nagamit sa...
Lapis. Papa, may sharpener pala yung Christmas gift.
Wow. Thank you. So, bigay natin kay
You
Mami.
have sharpener?
Yes, I have sharpener. It's a mystery box. It's military. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what else. Anong sa ilalim? Wow, Christmas tree. Look. Christmas tree lollipop.
Oo. Kaya kainin mo sa bahay. Huwag mo pinaglalaro ah.
This. Let's see what else. Let's see what else, guys. I saw our vlog.
Oh. Wow, Christmas tree. Candy Christmas tree.
Hindi Christmas tree lollipop. Let's see what else.
Christmas tree lollipop.
What? Is that a strawberry cream?
Yeah.
Huh? And Max! Max! What?
Wait, vlog mo lang, vlog mo lang.
Where's the Max? Where's Max? Where is the Max?
Hahanapin ko. Got
I
it?
found it.
Okay.
Let's see what else. A pencil. I got little pop. I got little pop.
What's that?
Little pop.
Yeah, yellow pop.
Little pop.
Show it to the vlog. It's a heart.
It's a pineapple. Pineapple flavor.
Yeah.
The heart inside. What's inside? Let's see what else I can do it. Just like it. What the heck? I got bang bang. I got bang bang. Ganun yung limit yung buka ni tatay. Ito si Bang Bang, oh. Ito si Bang Bang. Si Bang Bang. I got Bang Bang. Let's see what I can tell. Excuse me. Let's see what else. Go, baby! We have strawberry creams! Oh my goodness. Let's see what's else. cookies. Let's go once. Let's see what else. It's last one. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby! I got the new again. Chocolate cream filled chocolate sandwich cookies. Wow, this is the last one. Let's see what's inside though. Oh my goodness. Let's go, let's Max babies. I got the new Max that in the I think really the candy is heavy. Just do it. I did the give it that one. And we got some Coco Crunch with 3 choco milk drink. Also, I got all these foods over here. We want which one? Like the video and 3 seconds too. What do you want? All of this? Okay. Wow, gusto bang ganda oh. Wow, ganda. Nalilin ako si Dylan ng kiss. Nalilin si Dylan ng kiss, ha? Dito? Oh, wow, lollipop. Lollipop. A mystery box. Because from this one, it's Max and Max. It's Max over here. You got one.
Hindi nga ka, kumain yung lips mo.
Kaya that's wrong. Candy! Candy! Everyone, candy here!
Tinda ka pa ng candy ah.
Oh. Oh, ang pwede mo? Ito. Lollipop? O sige. Ano sa'yo? Bye! Candy! Candy! Everyone candy here. Uy! 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 Ano pibili mo? Dito. Lollipop, okay ka mga hayap. Lollipop. Lollipop. How to be on? Here we go. Okay. Wow, so cute. Thank you. Bye bye. Whee! No. Candy, candy, everybody candy here. Oy, oy, oy. Ay, gusto. So that one nips. Nips. Okay, kami like that. Wow, ang ganda oh. I put on the nips. Dyeing bag. Ang flavor mo. Purple and red. Purple and red. Coming right up. Also blue and orange. Blue and orange. Oh, ito sa'yo. So, thank you. See you later. Bye. Bye.
What's that? Nips. Can I have one?
Oh. Candy, candy, everybody candy here. Oh, come on, mister. Come on, mister. What do you want?
I want color red.
Oh, red. Yep. Like that. Look, I'm just dying down. I'll be right back. Here we go.
Thank you. Color red lips.
Oh, yummy. So good, Daddy. So good. Oh. Wow, pagsulat natin. Pagsulat natin, no? Nagregalo na tayo.
Why do you have these buttons?
Because I'm reading
Be careful ah.
unto
Sulatan mo, J ang tamlan.
the mommy grace. Anong next? Anong nakatawag!
Hello, Agawan.
Anong next? Anong next? Dito. Anong next?
Agawan, good morning. Tatayo. Tatayo. Tatayo.
Ay. Laruan. Laruan. Let's go. So. Look, it's because I love kids.
Ipapadala sa postcard.
I want to post boy. I want to post.
Yan na nga yun. Post it. Post it on YouTube. Sabag sa writing. Sulat ka. Sa writing, nakita ko eh.
Look, oh, yes. Dear Mr. Blunted, we love you, kids. May laruan sa may bahay. I love you.
Lahat ng grade
Diba?
na 91.
Okay,
pagdating
I
sa
will
writing,
close it. So
89,
don't forget to like,
bumagsak.
comment, and subscribe. See you later, guys. Bye. Woo! Happy holiday
Hindi naman
season.
siya tamad magsulat, pero hindi pa.
Hey, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wow, ang ganda ng suot mo. Hello, white.
Katakin mo dyan si Daddy Bawal.
Pababa, pababa. Pababa, pababa.
Hinga sa likod. Tayo pababa. Ayan, si Daddy is so fast. There you go. I'm so fast.
So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to you guys. Bye!